Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kejala ukon rat ke sangma ha ka arpo arterik ukala lingkot arjapsan ula pentip ba ka Ministry of Defence ka Sorkar India kala a ya ka jubab ka pasai halor ka jingkerpat jong ka Sorkar ban a Jaka na ka benta ka jing Pynheh ya ka kat lingsun ka badan ha ka Shillong umroi ribhoi district ha ka jingkran bakila pathai gubor halor ka jingle jong u shani Delhi Menteri Rangba ulai thu ba ulai kendu yo Menteri ka Sorkar Pedeng ubakhmi ya katanat yadari ha ka ba ula penpau ba un ai ka jingkersan bapura na ka Ministry ban Pynheh ya ka katling sun ha umroi khanang bagilin sun ki bahe kinyo her khando ha ka ni ka katling sun
Defense Minister, and we had a detailed discussion on the airport land. As you're aware, that certain section of the extended runway which is required for the expansion of the Umroi airport, a small number of acres of land is under defense, and we have had multiple meetings with the Defense Ministry, and there has been a discussion on how we can go further. Details I'll explain, I think, once things become more clearer. But my meeting with the Honorable Defense Minister was to apprise him about that particular situation. But I got a very positive response from him, and he said that he'll give full support in whatever way required, because the expansion of the runway is very important, and commercial flights, which is the A320 flights, should land in Shillong at the earliest. So we had a very positive meeting. I had a very positive response from Shri Rajnath Singh ji, and we are hopeful that we will be able to start the expansion of the runway soon, and hopeful that within maximum maybe 12 to 15 months time, we would be able to see commercial flights landing directly from Delhi, and commercial flights are coming in, the larger ones, the A320 and the similar aircrafts will be landing in Umroi Airport, which would be a major game changer in terms of tourism for the state of Meghalaya.